Reason for marriage. Every individual has a different perception of marriage. If the driving force for getting married is any of the external factors or any of the materialistic things surrounding the marriage, then it is definitely not the best reason to choose marriage. Now let's dive into this. Firstly, talking about external factors. If there are external forces like pressure from parents, or it can take the shape of the fact that all the friends in the circle that you're surrounded with are maybe getting married or maybe they're getting babies. In all those cases, you will feel an external pressure that you are not in the same boat as all of your friends are sailing in. So, probably this can be an external factor which will push you even when you're not actually ready for getting married. There are numerous other examples which are possible of external forces, which may be specific for certain cases and may not be relevant for other cases. But any of the external factors combined together do not attribute to the fact that you should step into a marriage like decision. Secondly, talking about the second factor, which is materialistic things. Now, materialistic things for a marriage is something when someone perceives marriage as an exotic holiday, fancy dress, or a big party. Now, unfortunately, our social media portrays marriages as all of these things, whereas they tend to hide or they're not comfortable talking about the actual or the real whereabouts of same. How marriages work in actual life is outside of what we do see in social media. So, now we understand that any of the factors that we just discussed above and many other factors that we didn't just discuss all contribute to the fact that external forces or materialistic things are not the best reason to choose marriage. Then, what is exactly when you're ready for marriage? It is when there is an inner urge to get married. Now, how do we have our inner self sorted to satisfy that inner urge is what we will discuss in the next video. Stay tuned.